So when selling your house, there's a lot of things that happen, and there are 4 items that typically get overlooked, and they are forwarding your mail to your new home. 10 to 14 days before your closing date, I suggest contacting the post office and putting in the forwarding order so that all of your mail goes to the new address rather seamlessly. Number 2, you need to call the cable company and put a disconnect order in. Your buyer cannot put the service into their name until you have put in a disconnect order for your service. Number 3, electric service. When your buyer puts in their order to start the service in their name, it should cancel the service in your name. Bob and I always suggest to our sellers that they contact the electric company and make sure that the buyer has put the service into their name. And number 4 is your homeowner's insurance. It will need to be canceled on the house that you're selling. But if you forget to do this prior to closing, it's okay. You can call the insurance company afterwards and they will terminate the service retroactively to the day that you closed. So this is Richelle Ward with your Monday Market Minute, and I look forward to seeing you next week.